3-pack. Comes with 3 premium 7-inch diameter mini rubber basketballs perfect for mini hoops. Mini hoops. Perfect upgrade and replacement for cheap balls that come with mini hoop setups. Max Grip. Textured surface with inlaid channels for maximum grip just like professional basketballs. All-weather. Durable rubber construction allows for indoor and outdoor use. Pump included. Premium pump with needle to maintain optimum air pressure. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent mini basketballs and great customer service. This basketball set is excellent for younger kids. They look, feel just like a regular-sized basketball, but they are smaller, lighter, so it is easier for young children to throw. Additionally, the set comes with a nice pump, including 2 needles, which makes inflation a breeze. And last, but certainly not least, the customer service is fantastic. Once of the balls in my set had a small manufacturing defect that caused the ball to be slightly misshaped and therefore bounce unevenly. I reached out to the company and they not only sent me a replacement ball right away, but they also donated one to the Boys-Girls Club. Based on my experience, I would highly recommend this set and company to anyone interested in shooting some hoops.